Hey everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to stop your Android device from overheating while you are gaming, then today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. One of the things we can start by doing is we can decrease the screen brightness. So you can access a quick settings panel for that directly and look out for your brightness bar. And you can lower it if it is high. That should reduce the power consumption and then the heat as well. Also disable the unnecessary features. So if you have turned on Bluetooth or any other sensors that you are not using, you can basically tap on those and you can turn it off, and that should also do it. And even if there are any applications you are using in the background, you can close it up completely while you are playing games. And also give your phone a rest for a few minutes every hour to cool it off. And what you can do is you can just go over and keep the software updated as well. So go to your settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you can go over, scroll down, look out for the software update and tap on it. And then just go over and download and install the latest version for your Android device, as they often include performance optimizations that can reduce the overheating. And apart from that, you can restart your phone, hold your power button, and look out for the restart option. A weekly restart can help out clear the glitches and improve the overall performance of your device as well. And if your device is overheating, you can also try using a cooling accessory like an external fan or a phone cooler to actively draw the heat away from the device. And that is everybody. Those are the method you can follow up if you'd like to stop your Android device from overheating. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and